Today we will discuss about the future of endpoint security. The future of endpoint security is an exciting and evolving space, driven by the ever-changing threat landscape and technological advancements. Here are some key trends that experts predict will shape the future. We will cover enhanced detection and response, zero trust and identity-centric security, proactive and preventative measures, AI and machine learning integration with cloud and IoT, evolving threat landscape, focus on user education and awareness. Conclusion. The future of endpoint security is poised for significant transformation, driven by the ever-evolving threat landscape and technological advancements. Expect significant improvements in EDR capabilities, offering deeper threat visibility and faster response times. EDR solutions will integrate more seamlessly with other security tools, creating a holistic security ecosystem. XDR will play a bigger role, extending detection and response beyond endpoints to include cloud, network, and other IT infrastructure, providing a unified view of security threats. We can implement EDR, integrate the EPP solution with your EDR for unified threat visibility and response. Configure application whitelisting to restrict unauthorized software execution, allowing only pre-approved applications. And start with smaller deployments targeting specific high-risk endpoints. Train your security team on interpreting AI-generated alerts and defining automated response thresholds. Zero trust means, the principle of never trust, always verify, will be central to endpoint security. This means continuously verifying user and device identities and access permissions, regardless of location or network. This approach minimizes the attack surface and reduces the impact of breaches. Biometric authentication involves using some part of your physical makeup to authenticate you. This could be a fingerprint, an iris scan, a retina scan, or some other physical characteristic. Multi-factor authentication is an electronic authentication method in which a user is granted access to a website or application only after successfully presenting two or more pieces of evidence to an authentication mechanism. A proactive approach uses active measures to prevent attacks before they take place. This type of security focuses on identifying potential weaknesses in a network well before they can be exploited. Measures include the use of firewalls and threat detection. It also involves regular vulnerability assessments. Reactive cybersecurity involves the actions after a cyber attack has taken place. These are usually just quick fix solutions for damage assessments and recovery. They do not always focus on data or money loss. It includes disaster recovery solutions, vulnerability patching, and updates to security software. Vulnerability management is the cyclical practice of identifying, classifying, prioritizing, remediating, and mitigating software vulnerabilities. Vulnerability management is integral to computer security and network security, and must not be confused with vulnerability assessment. And behavior-based security is a proactive approach to security in which all relevant activity is monitored so that deviations from normal behavior patterns can be identified and dealt with quickly. Thank you. Keep watching Cybex Sword. Future of endpoint security will continue in next episode. Till then, keep following and subscribe Cybex Sword.